Hi everyone, I am Chetna Sharma and today I shall explain you about the past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense indicates a past action which started in the past and continued to happen till another action and time in the past. Namely, past perfect continuous tense tell us how long the action had continued. The time duration of the action is emphasized more in this tense. In other words, it expresses longer actions in the past before another action in the past. The Assamese explanation for the same is যেতিয়া কোনো এটা ঘটনা বা কোনো এটা ক্ৰিয়া অতীত কালত এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট কালত আৰম্ভ হৈ আৰু এক নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়লৈকে চলি থাকে অনবৰত চলি থাকে তেনেকা এটা পৰিস্থিতি আমি ব্যাখ্যা কৰোঁ যদি বৰ্ণনা কৰোঁ যদি তেনে ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি past perfect continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম অৰ্থাৎ past perfect continuous tense to continuous এটা চলিত অতীত কালত চলিত এটা ক্ৰিয়া past টেন্সৰ সেন্সত কৈছোঁ যিহেতু সেই ক্ৰিয়াটো অতীতত এটা সময় বা এটা সময়লৈ চলি থাকিছিল বুলি বুজায় past perfect continuous টেন্সৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো ক্ৰিয়াৰ ধাৰাবাহিকতাক সময়ৰ উপস্থাপনৰ মাজেৰে প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিবলৈ অৰ্থাৎ টাইম ফ্ৰেজ বুজাবলৈ since আৰু for preposition ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয় that is since for etc words may used alongside the past perfect tense a past perfect continuous tense. For example, they had been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived. Another example, I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion. Now, the past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action which began before another action in the past and either continued up to the time of the second action or was completed before the second action happened. So, there are two ways in which we see the function or working of the past perfect continuous tense. An action that began in the past will continue up to the time of the second action. For example, I had been waiting long when a lorry drew up beside me. Or the action which started in the past was completed before the second action happened. For example, I had been studying and decided to take a stroll to clear my mind. Also, the past perfect continuous is used in the main clause of a complex sentence to set the scene for an event. For example, I had been driving for about an hour when I heard a noise in the engine. The past perfect continuous is often used to talk about a repeated action. She had been trying to telephone her mother all day. So, the action is repeated. Remember that you cannot use the past perfect continuous with verbs such as like, which are not used in the continuous. So, that's all with the uses of past perfect continuous tense. Next, we will learn about the formation of past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is constructed as subject plus had been plus main verb plus ing. So, for example, they had been trying. And for a negative sentence, the format is subject plus had not been plus main verb with ing. For example, I had not been leaving. And last but not the least, the formula for a question form sentence. That is, the question form in the past perfect continuous tense is had plus subject plus been plus main verb with ing. For example, had you been leaving? Question mark. So, this was all about the past perfect continuous tense. I hope you will find it easy to understand and practice it hard so that you can learn more about it. Thank you.